Alright. Hi, this is how to make a cool fUrSoNa video. So I have here a base provided by Imaginatively Unimaginative. I already went ahead and colored in some basic hyena colors. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and first make this incredibly super saturated. Look at that, it's already like fUrSoNa, but I don't want my fUrSoNa to be a Cheeto. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to color balance, and I think I kind of want like a magenta red or something like that. Yeah, that looks kind of good. How's this looking? It's very bright green. Ooh, this is. Ooh, actually, that kind of looks good. How about maybe yellow all the way down. Push it all the way up. Oh, that's pretty good. Okay, and this is my fUrSoNa. See, easy peasy. 1, 2, 3.